What's up, ladies and gentlemen? How y'all doing? I hope you're doing well. Hear my cockatiels in the background. They know that I'm doing this video, so they're getting loud. But anyways, never mind about them. So, what we're doing today is we're going to unbox this 1967 Corvette. It's called the VETTE, and it's made by MPC. See the box art there. Those are other models that you can get. I would like to have this one also. That would be a nice kit to have. There's the underside of it, what it looked like. Side of the box. And then, descriptions about it. It's 67 fastback Corvette, 327 cubic inch. You got choice of carbs or dual carbs or a blown and injected. I'll probably go with the blown injected version. Maybe. We'll see. So, also, that's the bottom of the box. Shows you other details about the kit. So, anyways, let's get it open. I just went to Samson, I believe, is the hobby shop that I went to. And I don't know what I did with the receipt. Anyways, it's in Marshall, Missouri. Samson is what it's called. He's a pretty nice fella. Anyways, let's get this thing open. Get a look at it. And almost stabbed myself. That would be bad. Appreciate your patience there. It's an actual unboxing, so you take the wrappings off. Anyways, once again, 1967 Corvette. I don't know why they picked the name Streaker. So anyways, quite a bit of chrome. One tree. Well, actually, one full tree and then a couple of partials. We'll leave them in the package. No need to take them out. We'll take this body and stuff out. And there's the interior compartment. Frame. It's pretty clean. I'll have to use an X-Acto knife to clean that up a little bit, but pretty detailed on the bottom. You see the body. Body is really pretty good. A couple of mold tabs on there, but that's alright. That doesn't hurt anything. Just means you gotta take them off. They just pull off. But actually, pretty good quality. I can't really see any flashing areas where it got hot, and where they took the body off the frame, off the tree. Can't really see any tabs, so pretty good. Wide tires. It actually looks wider on the box. And the glass, blinkers. So, let's see here. We'll open these trees up just to get an idea of how good they are. And back in the day, really wasn't that much of a fan of MPC. I felt like they were more of the lower end of the kits, as opposed to Revel and AMT. But it's looking pretty good. I like this. This engine's really detailed. You actually got to put it together. So all the body parts seem to be pretty good. There's a little bit of what I call flashing, but nothing outlandish, you know. Nothing that I would say would make me think that the kit's bad. So now there's different versions of this kit you can do, I guess. The hood and stuff. The front end, the suspension's pretty detailed, and it looks like you can set the tires, the wheels, as if they're turning. I will probably make those stationary because I just don't want to fool with them. Wow, that's pretty cool. Engine compartment. Engine compartment right there. You gotta put that. It's separate from the body, so that's pretty cool. More suspension in the instrument panel. Dashboard. Rear suspension. Yeah, I like it. Should be a fun kit. It must be a seat belt. So. Okay. Oh, 2 sets of tires. Okay. The front ones have white letters and the back ones don't. That's weird. We'll see what our choice of decals are. I probably won't put them on, but we'll look at them anyways. I'm going to paint this red like it is on the box art. Oh, okay. Some of the decals you can go with. Pretty cool. But I don't know that I'm going to put them on. Might not. Probably not. Let's see what our instructions are. Or destructions, however you want to say. So, that's the first part. Usually, they start out on the engine first, but this one here starts off with the tires on wheels. And then the engine. So, if you want to build it to the box art, it identifies the paint colors right here. And then over here, on each part, it'll tell you what color it's supposed to be. Now, if you was going to enter that kit in a model contest, in the category where it's built to the exactly to the box art and the directions, then you would have to go by this color code right here with each part. So the part instructions are pretty good detail. I like it. So yeah, it's 1967 Corvette. Let's put it all back in there. I don't have any Corvette models, so I figured, well, time to get one. I'm going to go pretty close to the box art as far as color wise and stuff like that, but I've decided I'm not going to put the decals on. There's really no need to have them on. Put this back in the box. It'll be a while before I start on it. So, anyways, there you go. 1967 Corvette Stingray by MPC. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. So with that being said, I say God bless you, God bless President Trump, and God bless the United States. Y'all take care, okay?